Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today in my kitchen we have the Ginger Optimist Jr. and we are going to make our favorite breakfast smoothie. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so to get started, we've already got our stuff ready and we have got some spinach, about a handful of spinach. Would you like to put it in?
Sure. Sticking.
It's okay. Good thing you washed your hands, huh?
Yeah.
That's good.
Still one more piece in here. Okay.
Sorry.
It's stuck to my finger.
It's okay. All right, and we're going to add 1/3 of an avocado.
Why?
Because that adds health benefits and it makes the smoothie more silky and smooth. Okay, we are going to add about a tablespoon of chia seed, and we've already added water to it so it's gelled. So slide that right in for me. Okay. And we've got a tablespoon of organic flaxseed.
Let's pour it in.
And we have got frozen mango, frozen sweet dark cherries, and blueberries in the bowl. You ready to pour those in?
Yep, I am.
It's going to be yummy!
Yep, it is.
Okay, and we're going to put 2 halves of a banana, which makes what?
1 banana.
1 banana and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now we're gonna add 2/3 cup of unsweetened almond coconut blend milk. Do you wanna pour it in?
Yes, I do.
We might need a little bit more almond coconut milk. If we do, we will add that in just a little bit. But let's get this blending. Are you ready to taste test this smoothie?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait for the Ginger Optimist.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. That is so good.
Not only is it yummy, it is so good for you. There's so many health benefits in this breakfast smoothie. It's a great way to get your kids to eat good, healthy breakfast, and it's good for you as well. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist and the Ginger Optimist Jr. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give us a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.